Now if you're a guitarist, then you've probably got all you need to do this already. Don't believe me? Try guitar picks, or plectrums. The thinner they are, the easier it'll be. These orange ones have a gauge of 0.7mm, but also have a thicker body which makes manipulating them a lot easier. So start by inserting one plectrum at a corner by sliding it between the glass and the body. It may require a bit of force to get it between the two. Do the same for the other corner. Depending upon the type and thickness of the guitar plectrums you are using, you might need to push them in a little bit further to increase the gap between the glass and the body of the iMac. Next, slide a third plectrum from one side to the middle to free the grip of the magnets at the centre. There will now be enough room for your fingers to lift the screen free. And there we go. Try not to touch the underside of the glass, and while making any repairs or upgrades to your Mac, store the glass somewhere safe. Reassembly is just a case of slotting the tabs back in and lowering the glass until it snaps back into place. It will snap back quite strongly, so try to keep your fingers at the edge of the glass and not underneath in order to avoid it nipping the skin of your fingers when it does snap back, and I speak from experience. And there, it's all back together again.